G'day everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make best use of the schedule, which is going to save you a bunch of time. So if you go in and you press schedule just here, it's going to take you over to today's rentals, upcoming rentals, and live rentals. These are the three areas that the schedule has. So today's rentals, if you have bookings, what will happen is you'll be able to see, that Jonathan's coming in at 9 a.m., Samantha's coming in at 10, and all the people that have booked in for today so that you can prepare for the day. Then you've got your upcoming rentals, which is what's delivered and what's picked up. So that is color coded for you, which you'll see below. That's all the same. And one is going to be blue, one is going to be green. Now the upcoming rentals is for the rest of the week, and you're able to plan accordingly. And then we have our live rentals. So our live rentals are the ones that are currently out with the customers at the moment. So as you can see here, we have a couple examples. So these are overdue, as you can see here. So overdue, less than 1 day to go, less than a week to go, and then less than a month to go. That's how it's all color coded for you. So you go in here, if we wanted to send this and mark it as completed, we would just press this. And then as you can see, it goes away from this area. But don't worry, it'll also be in the My Orders. So you'll be able to track it all through the My Orders. This is mainly just to keep things neat and tidy for you. Hope that is helpful.